Hello kids, let's learn some colors. Brown color, dark blue color, pink color, parrot green color, purple color, red color, green color, black color, yellow color, sky blue color. Now let's learn some alphabet. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nose. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sheep. T for toy. U for unicorn. V for violin. W for watch. X for Christmas tree. Y for yak. Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Bye bye kids. See you soon in next video.